welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer from CBS week of October 25 to October 31st, 2020. This all deal is based on my CBS CRT. I hope this will help to you also. Today I show you all the digital and printable deal. So let's get started. So the first deal is Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 3 Colgate and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. Buy 3 Colgate total SF, it's $11.67. It's $3.89 each. Use one $5 of 3 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon available on 10/25. Pay or roll $6.67 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is $1.67 or 55 cents each. So the next deal is Oral-B toothbrush deal. Buy one Oral-B toothbrush and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. Buy one Oral-B 2-pack indicator toothbrush. It's $5.49. Use one $2 off Oral-B manual toothbrush digital coupon. It's available on 10/25. Pay or roll only $3.49 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is 49 cents each. Next deal it's Neutrogena cosmetic deal scenario 1. Buy 2 Neutrogena cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Neutrogena makeup removing facial cleansing towel wipe 21 city, it's $15.18. It's $7.59 each. Use one $3 of 15 cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Neutrogena cosmetic digital coupon. It's available on 10/25. Use one $3 of Neutrogena cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $5 of 2 Neutrogena cosmetic CVS CRT. The total coupon is $15. Pay or roll only just 18 cents and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free plus $5.82 moneymaker. Then scenario 2. Buy 2 Neutrogena cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Neutrogena nourishing brow pencil, it's $20.58. Use one $3 of $15 cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Neutrogena cosmetic digital coupon, it's available on 10/25. Use one $3 of Neutrogena cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $5 of 2 Neutrogena cosmetic CVS CRT. The total coupon is $15 and pay or roll only just $5.58 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free plus 42 cent moneymaker. So the next deal is Maybelline deal scenario 1. Spend $12 on Maybelline cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. Buy one Maybelline single eyeshadow. It's $4.49 each. Buy one Maybelline lip care. It's $8.29. The total is $12.78. Use one $3 of Maybelline mystery coupon. It's available on 10/25. Use one $1 of Maybelline eye care digital coupon. Use one $2 of Maybelline lip digital coupon. Total coupon is $6. Pay or roll only $6.78 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is $1.78 or 89 cents each. The next is Maybelline deal scenario 2. If you have 10 of 35 Maybelline CVS CRT, spend $12 on Maybelline cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. Buy 2 Maybelline single eyeshadow, it's $8.98. It's $4.49 each. Buy one Maybelline foundation, it's $8.49. Buy one Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lip Mascara, it's $10.29. Buy one Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Care, it's $8.29. The total is $36.05. Use one $10 of 35 Maybelline CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Maybelline Mystery coupon. It's available 10/25. Use two Maybelline Eye Care coupon. It's coupon.com and one it's digital coupon. Use one $1 of 50-cent Maybelline Face digital coupon. Use two $2 of Maybelline lip coupon. One is printed on coupon.com and one is digital coupon. The total coupon is $20.50. Pay or roll only $15.55 and get back $15 ECB plus $3 beauty rewards. The final cost all 6 cosmetic is free plus $2.45 money maker. The next deal is NYX makeup deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one NYX dual ended liquid liner is $10.99. Buy one NYX powder puff lipstick, it's $9.29. The total is $20.28. Use two $2 of $8 NYX CVS CRT, or you can use $3 of $10 NYX CVS CRT. Pay or roll $16.28 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is $6.28 or $3.14 each. If you are using $3 of 10, you have the total it's $17.28. Now the next deal is CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Buy two CoverGirl product and get back $7 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one CoverGirl Pro eye maker eyeliner, it's $6.99. Buy one CoverGirl clean press powder, it's $8.49. The total is $15.48. Use one $3 of 15 CoverGirl cosmetic CVS CRT. Check back Sunday for more CoverGirl coupon. Pay only $12.48 and get back $7 ECB. The final cost is $5.48 or $2.74 each. The next deal is Wet n Wild cosmetic deal. Spend $10 and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. Buy two Wet n Wild Bro Kit, it's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. Use one $4 of 10 Wet n Wild cosmetic CVS CRT. Pay or roll $5.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal is L'Oreal facial care deal. Spend 25 and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect moisturizer, it's $19.99. Buy one L'Oreal Paris foaming gel cleanser, it's $5.19. The total is $25.18. Use one $5 of 22 L'Oreal facial care CVS CRT. Use two $6 of L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect moisturizer CVS CRT. Use one $2 of any L'Oreal skincare digital coupon. Use one $2 of any L'Oreal skincare printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $21. Pay or roll only $4.80 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free plus 82-cent money maker. It's count towards the CVS beauty reward. The next deal is Dove body wash deal. It's also sell two for $15, but they don't have the extra back. Buy two Dove Woman Body Wash 10.3 to 22 OZ, it's $15. It's two for $15. Use one $2 of $8 body wash CVS CRT. Use one $3 of 2 instant coupon printed for everyone on 10/25. Use one $3 of Dove or Dove Man body wash CVS CRT. Use two $2 of Dove body wash coupon on coupon.com. It's expired 10/31. The total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $3. The final cost is $1.50 each. The next deal it's Garnier facial care deal. Buy 2 Garnier facial care and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Garnier skin active charcoal blackhead scrub. It's $9.49. Buy 1 Garnier skin active micellar water. It's $12.49. The total is $21.98. Use one $5 of 22 facial care CVS CRT. Use one $2 of Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water digital coupon. Use one $2 of Garnier Skin Active Micellar or Cleanser printable coupon on coupon.com. Use $2 of Garnier Micellar Water CVS CRT. The total coupon is $13. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal is L'Oreal Cosmetic deal. Spend $12 at L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. Buy 3 L'Oreal Voluminized Original Mascara. It's $29.37. It's $9.79 each. Buy 1 L'Oreal Single Eyeshadow. It's $6.99. Use one $10 of $30 L'Oreal Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $2 of L'Oreal Paris Eye Cosmetic digital coupon. Use one $2 of L'Oreal Paris Eye printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $22.36 and get back $12 ECB plus $3 beauty rewards. The final cost all 4 product is $7.36 or $1.84 each. Also there is a loyalty reward program. Buy 4 mascara and get 5th free L'Oreal mascara. So the next deal is Soft or Iris Spring body wash deal. Buy 2 body wash and get back $3 ECB. It's limit to 3 per household. It's also sell $4.79 each. Buy 1 soft body wash. It's 20 FLOZ. It's $4.79. Buy 1 Iris Spring body wash. It's 15 to 20 OZ. It's $4.79. The total is $9.58. Use one 75-cent off Soft printable coupon on softsoft.com. Buy once, use one 75-cent off Iris Spring body wash coupon on irispring.com. Use one $2 of $6 body wash CVS CRT. Use one $2 of 2 Soft or Iris Spring body wash CVS CRT. The total coupon is $5.50. Pay only $4.08 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is $1.08 or 54 cents each. The next is Nivea lotion or cream deal. Buy 2 Nivea lotion and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Nivea body lotion $12.48. It's $6.29 each. Check if it's included this one. Use one $3 of $10 lotion CVS CRT. The total coupon is $3. Pay or roll $9.58 and get back $5 ECB back. The final cost is $4.58 or $2.29 each. The next deal is You Buy Cortex deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's also sell buy 1 get 1 50% off. Buy 2 You Buy Cortex Light Day Panty Liner. It's $2.68. It's buy 1 get 1 50% off. Use one $2 of 2 You Buy Cortex digital coupon available on 10/25. Pay or rolls only 68 cents and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.32 moneymaker. The next deal is Sick Razor deal. Spend 25 and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Sick disposable razor $9.29. Buy 1 Sick Hydro Sick 3-woman refill. It's $12.49. You buy one age saving cream, it's $3.99. The total is $25.77. Use one $5 off $20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Use one $2 off 8 saving cream CVS CRT. Use one $3 off Sick Hydrosit 3 refill CVS CRT. Use one $3 off Skintimate disposable razor digital coupon. The total coupon is $13. Pay only $12.77 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is $2.77 or 92 cents each. The next deal is household deal. Spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Vicks Vapor of Cough Ointment 3.53 OZ. It's $19.99. It's $9.99 each. Use one $5 off 2 Vicks Cold Remedy CVS CRT. Use one $4 off $20 any purchase CVS CRT. Pay or roll $10.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is $2.99 each. The next deal is if you have this CVS CRT, CVS Health Plus Oximeter deal. Buy one CVS Health Plus Oximeter, get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one CVS Health Pulse Oximeter, it's $42.99. Use one $10 off CVS Health Pulse Oximeter CVS CRT. Pay or roll $32.99 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is $22.99. It's food deal. Chips Ahoy or Oreo cookie deal. It sell 2 for $8. Buy 2 Oreo family size cookie, it's $8. It's 2 for $8. Use one $2 off 8 Snake CVS CRT. Pay or roll $6 and get back $1 ECB. The final cost is $2.50 each. The next deal is just the basic water bottle deal. It's $2.99 each. Buy 3 basic water, it's $8.97. It's $2.99 each. Use one $2 of 2 Big Chill Golden Amber and or just the basic 6, 12 or 24 pack CVS CRT. Use one $2 of $7 just the basic Big Chill Water CVS CRT. Pay or roll $4.97. The final cost is $1.65 each for 24 pack of water. So, this is my CVS couponing haul. If you like my video, just like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.